Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? All right, I'm here to show you guys. I'm putting together my postcard campaign for Press 1 Cash, and I just left Office Depot. I have 1,000 postcards printed out, but I'm going to mail out 400 on Monday. Okay, so just want to show you that real quick. Here they are. Okay, I'm not showing you the domain because I have a capture page set up for that specifically. But here's my Press 1 Cash number. Go ahead and give it a call. See how it works. But this program pays you $200, guys, every time. There's my leads. Every time someone purchases the Press 1 Cash system from you. Okay? It's very, very simple. What I like about it, it also has a one-up comp plan. So do you realize that 2 people, if you sign up 2 people, that's an $800 commission? Okay, because you're going to get paid $200 for every referral, and it's a one-up. So each person that joins you have to pass up their first sale. Okay, so 2 people equals $800. Okay, you see how that works? $200 per person, and then the 2 that come up to you have to give you 2. Okay, so 2 people equals $800. So 4 people, $1,600. So you see how this works. This is very simple. Anyone can drop a postcard in the mail. Okay, they're going to dial your phone number. They're going to get your website. I put a website here though because I wanted to go to a capture page. Okay, put your labels on there and drop them in the mail. They go to your website. They can check out your website, and your information is on there, and they can give you a call. Okay, so a great opportunity. Check it out. Dial that number. 678-932-0152. Get started and Press 1 Cash. Okay, mail these postcards. I'll make up the template for you when you join me. It's a one-time $297 one time. Okay, and you pass up your first sale. After that, you're qualified to receive $200 over and over and over again, and you can receive your payments any way you want. I highly recommend do Cash App or ORU. Okay, and I'll put the link below for that. Or Stripe right now. It seems to be okay. Okay, but Cash App is perfect. All right, so go ahead and call that number. Get my website. Get the information. Give me a call. Sign up with me in Press 1 Cash. Okay, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, and I'll see you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.